Are you ready to learn how to send multiple videos on WhatsApp group using the PC app? With recent updates, sharing multiple videos has never been easier. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to connect with your friends or group. Next, locate the group you want to send the videos to. This can be done quickly by selecting the group from your contacts list on the left side of your screen. Once you're in, you'll see the chat window open up, ready for your action. Now, look for the attachment icon. It's usually represented by a paperclip or a plus sign. This is where you'll start the fun of sharing your videos. Click on that icon to bring up additional options. After clicking the attachment icon, choose Photos and Videos. You'll be directed to your File Explorer, where you can access your video files. Here comes the exciting part. Select the videos you want to send. You can hold down the Control key, or CMD for Mac users, to choose multiple videos at once. Once you've made your selections, click Open to proceed. Finally, take a moment to review your videos and hit the Send button. Your videos will now be shared with all group members in an instant. And that's it. You've successfully sent multiple videos to a WhatsApp group using the PC app. Enjoy sharing your moments with friends, and make sure to explore more features that WhatsApp has to offer. Happy sharing!